Marcine Pratt. Mr. Pratt, you've been charged with a Class A misdemeanor criminal trespass. The range of punishment on the type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond was set at $2,500. Do you have any questions, sir, regarding your charge or bond amount?
Oh, can you repeat that again?
Criminal trespass set at $2,500.
So, $25.
$2,500.
2,500.
Correct.
So, like, what? I gotta pay like 250.
Correct. 5 to 10%, anywhere between 100 to 250 or whatever amount you negotiate.
Judge, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't even have that. I've been homeless. You know what I'm saying? I've been trying to stay out the streets. You know what I'm saying? But it's like every time I try to like get somewhere to stay or whatnot. Because the reason why I'm back up in here is because I was sleeping in the backyard that wasn't even, you know what I'm saying, finished. I didn't have nowhere to go. I've been homeless for like almost a year. Been trying to get somewhere to go, trying to get a job, even though I got the ankle monitor on me. So I woke up that morning. I woke up that morning with a whole bunch of guns in my face. Like, what was going on? They was like, I'm trespassing.
Where's your family, sir?
My family, they in Houston, Texas.
So why are you here?
Because I don't know. I had some family out here, but that part of my family does PCP, and I'm not trying to be around that.
So you don't want to go back to Houston?
I do. I've been trying to go back to Houston. I ain't never wanted to come out here.
Well, I mean, you can't get a bus ticket, or what's going on? Tell me what's going on. How come you can't go back to Houston?
Because I don't have an address out there yet.
I thought you said your family was there.
Yes, but like my mama, I don't know what's going on with my mama. My sister, she's trying to get her apartment right now as we speak, so I can have somewhere to go. Who else is down there that I know of?
Who is your attorney on these other cases that are pending?
It should be Attorney Richard Michaels.
Is he hired or appointed?
I'm not sure.
Did you pay him money, or is the county paying him?
Oh, the county.
Okay. And is he on the CAP DS program, or is he a public defender?
I think a public defender. I'm not sure.
When's the last time you talked to him?
I be calling him and texting him every day. He don't answer.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am. So it's like, it's kind of hard and frustrating.
Well, like I see that you're out on one bond that I signed. Judge Malhotra signed the other bond. And it looks like the bond that Judge Malhotra signed, he is your attorney of record.
Judge who?
Malhotra in court 4. Have you been going to court in court 4 with Mr. Michael?
So with me popping up to court and stuff like that, I'm homeless and stuff like that, and I'm like stuck out there in Maynard. I don't have no way to get there, none of that stuff. So like,
he'll court date is December 1st, so you need to show up for that.
Yes, ma'am. I already know. Or if I don't, I'm going to jail. Correct. So I've been trying to get that right, but every time, like for my hearings and stuff, for my ankle monitor and stuff like that, like he'll tell me at the last moment. And like I don't be appreciating that. And he only call me whenever like it's certain information. I be trying to know everything. Cause you know what I'm saying? This is my first year being locked up, you know what I'm saying, having a record, not being able to work and stuff like that.
Okay. Well, you don't have nowhere else to be other than in Maine? Like you can't be in town closer somewhere? You don't have nobody, no friends you couch surfing with, nothing?
No, ma'am, I have no friends. I recently just sent my baby mama, who's 21 weeks pregnant, back to Houston.
Why you didn't go with her though? I told
I
her,
have an ankle monitor. I can't leave the county or the state.
your ankle monitor is on what case? Oh, the assault with Judge Malhotra?
No, not the assault, the criminal trespass for
Where
a
were you
ring.
trespassing at? Where was this?
That's a Ringo Hills, but with that situation, that case. I was practically getting lied on with that case and whatnot. So when I found out I had trespassing in the Ringo Hills, that kind of had me heated because like I knew a few people over there who would let me stay with them. But like I was saying, my cousin, she do PCP. She had messed all that up.
Ringo Hills. That's where your cousin stayed?
Yes, ma'am. They told me stay 200 feet away from me. Don't get on that highway. And if you see my cousin, avoid her at all times. Don't even try to, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what to do with you. I'm gonna let you out of jail, but
Please, I'm trying to get a PR going.
no, listen to me, son. You the same age as my son. In fact, you sitting up there looking just like him. So I'm gonna talk to you like I'm your mama for a second.
Please do. Go ahead.
You're gonna have to make some different choices. Okay, so you already out on bond. One of my bonds that I signed looks like back in September. Then you were out on the bond with Judge Malhotra. Now she's upstairs, so she has a bigger jurisdiction than I do, a greater jurisdiction than I do. She will put you back in jail. So, I mean, I'm just trying to tell you that I'm gonna let you out this time again because this is just a criminal trespass. But I need you to figure out what you're doing. I mean, you're 20 years old. So it's time to step up. You say you got a kid coming in the next, 3 months.
4 to 3 months. I'm trying to get me a job.
Yeah. So
well,
that's gonna be one of your conditions. You gotta either enroll in a GED program or be gainfully employed within the next 30 days, or I'm gonna revoke this bond. How far did you go in school?
What? Can you repeat that again? I'm sorry.
How far did you go in school? Did you finish high school?
I didn't finish high school all the way. That's why when I came out here, I was trying to get on my GED. It's a lot going on when I first came
What's
down.
What's the last grade you completed, Mr. Pratt?
11th. I ain't finished 12th grade.
All right. So you're gonna either have to enroll in a GED program or get gainfully employed. I will see about appointing you a different attorney. I'll let court administration know that you may need somebody else. I don't know Richard Michael, but I know a bunch of PDs that are very good at hand holding, and you need some hand holding.
Pretty much, because the one I got, he ain't been trying to hold my hand. He don't even let me know what's going on.
But I just, what I'm saying to you though is you can't be at these places, criminally trespassing. People don't like that, right? If you got a friend, I need you to call that friend and, fall on the sword and be like, hey, look, I just need some word of couch surf until I can get these cases resolved. Then when you go to court on December 1st, you need to tell Judge Malhotra what I said, that they really need to wrap your stuff up on the 1st so you can get on back to Houston where the baby mama is and all of that. You don't need to be down here committing criminal offenses because down here is not helping you.
Yeah, they kept on telling me they might just push those pending cases back for like a whole year or two. And I'm not.
Who is the victim? Who is the alleged victim of the assault? Is it baby mama?
It's not even baby mama. They just the state put that on me.
But who is the alleged victim?
Oh, my baby mama. But I got the affidavit. I got the affidavit and everything of her saying it was no physical altercations, no none of that.
So then she just needs to put you on okay, listen. If you don't get a different attorney, I need you to tell Richard Michael to call me.
It's too much going. I don't even know his number. It's too much going on. Like I be left out. When I am outside in the free world, I just be trying to get a job, come home, go back. Simple. Talk to my baby mama whenever I can. Tell my child I love him and stuff like that, and go about my day.
You don't have his number? Brown, I need you to write this number down for him. Let me know when you're ready.
Last time I talked to Mr. Michaels, he said he was on vacation, and that's when I sent him a long paragraph talking about my living situation and my curfew, because my PO was talking about it's only certain many violations you gonna get for curfew. I'm like, I'm not even supposed to have curfew, so like, what you talking about? You want me to go to jail?
All right, go ahead.
It's fine. But I also want him to contact the public defender's office. Does he work for the public defender's office, sir?
I don't know. I don't know.
So Brown, give him this number too. It's 512.
Like I'm lost in this.
Hold on. You can't overtalk me. Good grief, I'm trying to do something here. Brown, put this number down there too. I need and put down the name Ann Heaps, Heaps. He needs to leave a message for Ann so she can see about getting him another attorney. She works for so she can determine if the public defender's office can represent him, because she works for the public defender's office, and it sounds like he's gonna need somebody from that office to help him. I'm sorry, Brown. You got all that? I know he was talking.
I got it.
All right, thank you. All right, what are you trying to tell me, Mr. Pratt?
I'll just be lost in the sauce. Like I don't be knowing none of that. All I
Call
know
them
is
people that I just gave you, and then I'll follow up as well. Part of your conditions is, again, you're gonna have to enroll in the GED program or get gainfully employed within the next 30 days. So pretrial is also going to be trying to keep up with you. I'll ask Judge Malhotra if she'll remove that monitor. Well,
please.
no. I'll ask Judge Malhotra if they will consider wrapping up your case on the 1st so you can get on back to Houston. That's what I'm going to do. All right?
I'm trying. I think I can still get a job if I still just had the trespass. I think what's really stopping me is my ankle monitor and that assault. I'm trying to get that off.
Sure. I understand.
As soon
All right,
as
I gotta move on to other people, but you need to follow up with them phone numbers that I gave you, okay? And then
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
put you out on bond this morning.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Don't get arrested again. You get arrested again, I'm revoking all these bonds. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You sound like my mama. I'm not.
Yeah, that's why I said, I don't mean to sound like your mama, but you're sitting up there looking like my child, so you need some mothering sound like. Anyway, take care of yourself, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Next, I have Arthur Albritton.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Lord, here go another one. You're way too young to be sitting in my jail, son, both of y'all. So you're in the 403rd with Judge Mueller, and she increased this bond. Why is Judge Mueller upset with you? What's going on?
I was just walking down the street. I got arrested.
It says Judge Mueller requested a bond increase. You don't know what's happening with the case? Who is your attorney?
That Raphael. I didn't do it. That Raphael something. I don't know. I didn't even do nothing. I just was walking down the street.
Raphael Hernandez?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, you need to call him and figure out what's going on.
I don't even know why I had warrants. I didn't.
Well, this says that Judge Mueller says you had an additional subsequent offense for tampering. When were you arrested for tampering?
Last week when I got arrested for jaywalking. 2 weeks ago.
She set this bond low, so you can bond out, but I'm going to appoint you an attorney. You really need to talk to Judge Mueller, though. Nobody else can sign the bond because she has jurisdiction since you're in front of her.
I don't understand. I'm confused. I don't know what happened. I don't even know I'm here.
Well, like I said, I just told you, she's saying that you got rearrested for tampering. So because you were rearrested, while out on bond already, she increased this bond to bring you back in front of her so she can talk to you about this. So either you bond out before you see her, or you're going to see her with your attorney, which is why I'm asking you who your attorney is.
I think it was I asked for a court appointment because I ain't have enough bread to pay him.
Mm-hmm. So was Raphael appointed?
No, he was a hired lawyer on the aggravated assault.
He was hired, and so you never were appointed a lawyer?
Which case?
I'm asking, have you ever been appointed an attorney?
Yes, ma'am. On the tampering.
On the tampering. So who is that attorney? You don't know? You don't know? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna issue another appointment.
Oh, I gotta appoint a lawyer on on another case. Her name was like Summer Benford or something like that.
But that was a long time ago, right? That case has been resolved, right?
I was on a pistol case.
Huh?
I was on a pistol case, unlawful possession.
Is that still pending?
Yes, ma'am.
So Summer Benford is your attorney?
On that case, yes.
Do you talk to Summer? She's a good attorney. I know her as well.
No.
Do you have her number?
No, my mom does.
Okay, so you know how to get in contact with her. Okay, Brown, write this number down for this gentleman as well. Lord have mercy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you, young man. Jeez Louise. He needs to call Summer Benford and tell her that he's in jail so she can come down here and bring me a bond. I will consider letting you out on bond, sir, but you're gonna need your attorney to come down here and bring it to me. Do you understand?
How much it is?
Judge Mueller said it at $10,000. I already said that. She increased the bond because you got arrested for the tampering case. So Summer needs to come down here and bring me a bond. Otherwise, she's gonna have to take it to Judge Mueller.
Where is Judge Mueller? That in?
She's upstairs on the 6th floor. She's here.
I have to wait here or about it?
Well, you need to call your attorney. You're about to be given access to the phone now that you've seen me, so you need to call Summer. You ready, Brown?
Go ahead.
And that's for Summer Benford, Benford. Call her this morning, wake her up, let her know you're in jail. She needs to bring some bonds down here. Okay?
So it's only like $1,000 or like?
Right, but she can do it for free, which is why I'm telling you to call her.
Oh, okay.
Because she's been appointed to you already. Do you understand?
Just tell her just come down.
All right. You have any other questions for me, sir?
Man, I appreciate you a lot.
All right, sir. Take care of yourself. Next one. All right, Brown, is that everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
Thank you for your service.
So, am I getting out on the PR bond today?
Who is that talking?
Right, PRATT.
Yeah, I told you that. Why you asking me that again? You gonna make me say no?
I was just making sure because like I'm trying to do everything in my power.
Listen, young man, do not get arrested again. You get arrested again, I ain't letting you out. I'm telling you. So figure it out. Figure out what you need to do to stay on the straight and narrow. Okay? All right. Happy Friday.
All right.
If I don't see you, have a good holiday. Thank
Holiday.
you. Right? Sing. Officer Davis.
Throwing stuff out the window. Don't do it. I will close it and you'll be in there. My threats. Ooh, wow, the N-word. So we have one that's gonna stay in her cell because she's not very nice. She's meanie. And so she's going to listen to you from her cell, and the other two ladies are here. The one that's going to remain in her cell, her last name is Cannon. And then the other two ladies that are out is Favaloro and Hanson.
Okay, and they both speak English. Yeah. If you have to mute her, you can. I mean, I understand.
Can y'all hear her? If you can't hear, you're welcome to stand up so you can hear her.
I'm so sorry. Good morning, ladies. My name is Tanisha.
Cannon, who's a cannon.
Right?
And there's my corny joke for the day.
Right? I get corny jokes, I get a song. I'm feeling special right now.
Return to yourself, yes, ma'am.
So
And I'm not opening up Cannon's door. She can hear you just fine.
was she the one screaming? Did she hear the rights, or do
Yeah.
I need to say it
No,
again?
ma'am. She was screaming over you and calling everybody the N-word.
Oh Lord. Okay, well, you may have to mute your end then, just so I can get through it.
Okay, I can do that.
All right, thank you. Good
Hold on,
morning, Cannon. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna mute.
Good morning, Ms. Cannon. My name is Tanisha Jeffers, and I'm going to be magistrating you this morning. First, we're going to go over your general rights. You have the right to remain silent. You are not required to make a statement. Any statement you do make, however, can and will be used as evidence against you should your case proceed to trial. You have the right to retain an attorney. You have the right to have that attorney present during any interview with any peace officers or other attorneys who may represent the state. You have the right to terminate an interview at any time. If you are indigent and cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You have the right to an examining trial, which is a pre-hearing, if you are charged with a felony. You will be given a reasonable time and opportunity to consult with an attorney, and you will be admitted to bail if allowed by law. Oh, well, I'm not going to ask that, but if you have any questions, please direct them to the post sergeant this morning. Madam, you've been charged with a Class B misdemeanor criminal trespass. The range of punishment on a type of offense in the state of Texas is up to 6 months in the county jail and a $2,000 fine. That bond was set at $2,500 plus a mental health evaluation. I'm also going to appoint you an attorney this morning who can get you out on bond free of charge. I hope you have a better morning, madam. Take care of yourself. All right. Thank you.
And we are done. Have a great day.
Thank you. You as well. Happy Friday. And if I don't see you, have a good holiday.
Yep, happy Thanksgiving.